Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The topic for today is DevOps preparation for beginners. If you are a student, a fresher, or someone switching careers to DevOps, you are in the perfect place. Today I'm going to break down exactly what DevOps is, how the real world job market works, what tools and skills companies want, and how you can get started from scratch. We'll also look at what's trending in 2025, a complete roadmap for beginners, hands-on project ideas, and free resources. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the chat where you are tuning in from. Let's dive in. So here's the agenda for today. What DevOps actually is, not just buzzword. Real company expectations and job descriptions. Skills and tools you need to learn. 2025 DevOps trends. A full 6-month learning roadmap. DevOps projects that will make your resume stand out. And finally, free resources you can use right after this live. What is DevOps? So what is DevOps really? DevOps is development plus operations, but it's more than just a name. It's a culture, a set of tools, and a way of working that helps software team deliver faster, more reliable, and with fewer bugs. Imagine this. A dev writes code, it's done. But the operations team takes 2 weeks to deploy it. Something breaks, customers are unhappy. DevOps solves this by automating the whole flow, from code to deployment to monitoring. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google use DevOps to deploy code thousands of times a day with zero downtime. That's the power of DevOps. It's not about tools. It's about delivery speed, stability, and collaboration. What do companies expect? Let's get real. What are companies actually looking for in DevOps candidates? I checked real job listings from LinkedIn, Naukri, and company sites. And here's the pattern. You must know Linux. Git is non-negotiable. Bash scripting helps a lot. Docker is a must. Jenkins or GitHub Actions for CI/CD. Some cloud knowledge, AWS, Azure, or GCP. Bonus, if you know Kubernetes, Terraforms, or Ansible. But even if you don't, if you can show solid projects, you are in the game. Remember, hiring managers want doers, not just learners. DevOps trends in 2025. Alright, what's trending in DevOps right now? Here are the top trends to focus on in 2025. GitOps, using Git to manage your infrastructure. Platform engineering, building internal DevOps tools. DevSecOps, integrating security into CI/CD pipelines. AI plus DevOps, predictive alerts and self-healing systems. FinOps, managing cloud cost as part of your DevOps rules. These are hot right now and growing. So when you are choosing what to learn, aim for tools that are modern and in demand. Beginners DevOps Roadmap. Let's talk about the step-by-step roadmap for beginners. This is your 6-month path, even if you're starting from zero. Month 1, learn Linux, get comfortable with Git and GitHub. Month 2, Bash scripting, basic Python for automation. Month 3, focus on learning Docker, build and run containers, set up a CI/CD pipeline. Month 4, introduce yourself to AWS, EC2, S3, IAM. Learn Terraform's basics. Month 5, Kubernetes, deploy simple apps. Set up monitoring with Prometheus or Grafana. Month 6, build 2-3 real-world projects. Upload everything to GitHub, share on LinkedIn or personal blog. That's the roadmap, one step at a time. No shortcuts, just consistent learning. DevOps projects that get you hired. Now here's what really gets attention. Projects. Here are 5 beginner-friendly DevOps projects you can start. Dockerize a web app. Take a Node.js or Flask app and run it in container. CI/CD pipeline. Set up GitHub Actions to test and deploy your app. AWS plus Terraform projects. Write IAC scripts to launch an EC2 server and deploy your app. Monitoring setup. Use Prometheus or Grafana to track CPU, memory, and uptime. Kubernetes deployment. Deploy a 2-tier app using Kubernetes and Ingres. Build them, document them, and upload to GitHub. That's your portfolio, that's your experience, and that's what recruiters care about. Tips for students and freshers. If you are a student or fresher, this part is for you. Focus on practical skills, not just theory. Set up your own DevOps lab, even on your local machine. Share your journey, post your learnings on LinkedIn or Medium. Automate something, even a simple script to clean up files can be a DevOps project. And above all, stay consistent. 1 hour a day beats 0 hours a day, every single time. Alright, here are some free resources to kickstart your DevOps journey. Linux, linuxjourney.com. For Docker, play with Docker. Git, use GitHub Learning Lab. For cloud, AWS free tier. Tutorials like Tech World with Nana, Free Code Camp can help you. Community resources, awesome DevOps GitHub repo. These are 100% free and beginner friendly. And that's a wrap up. If you found this session helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe if you are new here. Let me know in the comments what topic you would like next. Maybe CI/CD hands-on, Terraform project, or mock interviews. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep automating. Thanks for watching. See you soon.